Aviator band with my favorite instructor, William Wong, the one that got me through
I'm
the
so
IFR.
honored to get to fly with this guy, you know.
He's the best.
He doesn't give up. He doesn't give up.
He's the
He
best.
found me. He found me.
We found each other.
Approach.
Good morning. This is November 22336 at Lantana, ready to pick up my IFR plane.
November 22336, clear to Vero Beach. We have red directors jury as filed. On departure, maintain 2000. You can expect 6000. Departure will be 127.35 and squawk 0040.
Clear to Vero Beach, direct to Dury as filed. Expect climb to 2000, expect 6000 in 10 minutes. Departure 127.35, transponder 0040.
Number 336, read back correct, hold for release. Call back this number when you're number one ready for departure.
We'll call this number. Thank you very much.
Yep.
Bye-bye. Okay. So, read back correct. It was easy though. Directed delivery. Airspeed is alive. Edges are in the green. 60. The Garmin camera hasn't captured the satellite yet, so hence the missing indicator for the heading as well as the speed. 336 at 1,400, climbing to 2,000.
Piper 336, Palm Beach departure, ident. The altimeter is 29902.
Ident. Cherokee 2336.
Piper 336, radar contact, 2 miles southwest of Lantana. The Palm Beach crescent, the altitude indicates 1,800. Traffic 12 o'clock on a mile opposite direction indicates 1,000.
Looking for traffic, Cherokee 2336.
Cherokee 336, climb and maintain 3,000.
Climb and maintain 3,000, Cherokee 2336. It's on automatic. Okay, 200.
336, turn right, heading 280.
Right 280, Cherokee 2336.
Piper 336, climb and maintain 4,000.
Climb and maintain 4,000, Cherokee 2336.
Cherokee 336, turn right heading 290.
290, Cherokee 2336.
Piper 336, contact Palm Beach approach on 125.2.
125.2, Cherokee 2336. You want to do it? 125.2. No, this one. 125, go ahead. No, the other one.
125?
125.2. Down, go down. For Cherokee 2336 at 4,000.
And 336, roger. Proceed direct Dury.
Direct Dury, Cherokee 2336. Okay, so let me do this. That, and go this way. So the bird is really nice. Let's see what the weather is like over there.
19.7, good day.
Wind 280, so more than likely it's I'm gonna go 30. Approach. You can look at it too if you want. Are you connected to the Wi-Fi?
I don't know.
Okay, go to the settings.
Charlie, Tango, Bravo, Romeo. How do you read American 2300?
Oh, you're connected to my iPhone. Okay, see Stratus there? Hang on. See Stratus?
Yeah.
Okay, click on it. Got it?
Yep.
Okay, now go back to full flight. You should see the traffic.
November 336, climb maintain 5,000.
Climb maintain 5,000, Cherokee 2336.
Did they ask you to go up because of the plane?
It could be other planes that they have.
Approach 9, but
Okay, so let me look at the plate. Hopefully they're gonna give me Zorro. Let me load it just in case. Oh, there's some clouds here. But we are IFR, so we know what we're doing. Well, you do. I'm not so sure about me, but hey. Okay, so let me brief. It's 12057, I've got that. I have it loaded to Puma, sorry. But they might give me Zorro. 2000. at Puma. Once I reach Puma, I start descending to 1500 to final fix interception at Zorro.
November 336, turn right heading 030.
Right 030, Cherokee 22336.
November 336, did you have an approach request or you just want the visual approach to 30 left?
Request RNAV 30 left and vectors to final if possible. Cherokee 22336.
336, I have the request. Number 336, flighting 040.
040, Cherokee 22336. Decision point is 222 feet and 3/4 of a mile. IVR. If the glide slope doesn't work, then I have to go to MDA, which is 540 feet. Lookma, no heads.
Funny.
November 22336, turn left heading 020, descend and maintain 3000.
Left 020, descend and maintain 3000, Cherokee 22336.
November 22336, contact approach 123.62.
123.62, Cherokee 22336. 23.62. For Cherokee 22336 at 3000.
Number 22336, Palm Beach approach. Roger, did you want vectors to final or join from waypoint?
I'd like to join the vectors to final, Cherokee 22336.
Number 336, Roger, fly heading of 360.
360, Cherokee 22336.
Number 336, descend and maintain 2000.
Descend and maintain 2000, Cherokee 22336.
Number 336, what would you like to do after this approach?
It's going to be a full stop, Cherokee 22336.
You understand, full stop. Number 336, contact Vero Tower 126.3.
126.3, Cherokee 22336.
Turning baseline.
Just the airport straight ahead.
Yes. VIRB Beach Tower, Cherokee 22336 is 1,500, about 1 mile from Zorro. With information kilo. Full stop.
For 22336, VIRB Beach Tower, Roger, expect landing clearance on a mile final, traffic will hold in position.
Clearance in 1 mile, Cherokee 22336.
Number 336, runway 30 left, clear to land.
Clear to land on 30 left, Cherokee 22336.
Minimums.
Okay, we got the Hero inside for KLNA, Echo Charlie.
November 336, turn left on Charlie 4 and contact ground.
Turn left on Charlie 4, contact ground, Cherokee 22336. So this is my second IFR flight. Second. And even though it was very sunny day, I elected to do the 30 left RNAV approach, and it wasn't bad actually. It was pretty good. Nothing happened, which is great. How was the landing?
Very good. Excellent.
My co-pilot is the final judge on my landing. And what else?
But I'm already concerned about the trip, about the length of the trip to Canada.
But let's face it. You're gonna be snoring all the way to Canada.
Oh my. I'm like lamenting already myself. This is gonna be like...
Probably gonna go to New York, so it's halfway there.
Okay, sure.
Anyway, it's gonna take us about 8.5, almost 9 hours of total flight. I mean, just flight time. Forget about the breaks. Anyway, it's gonna be a long trip, but I'm gonna enjoy it. It's gonna be different. First time IFR. We'll see you on board when we get back.
Number 336, do you need a run-up or are you ready?
I'm ready to go.
Number 336, thank you. I'll start working on your release. You can pull up in line for 30 left.
We'll pull to line 30 left, Cherokee 22336. Beach Tower, Cherokee 22336, holding short on 30 left.
We're 22336, VIRB Beach Tower, fly heading 300, runway 30 left, clear for takeoff.
Heading 300, clear for takeoff on runway 30 left, Cherokee 22336.
Continue straight out, I'll call your terminal.
This is alive. It's just earned the green.
Roger that, you got our base, Skyflight 203.
Go.
Cirrus Beach Tower, Skyflight 663 is number 1, holding short 30 left, ready for departure.
Skyflight 663, VIRB Beach Tower, roger. 3885, turn right crosswind, runway 30 right, clear, touch and go. 336, contact Palm Beach departure.
Palm Beach departure, Cherokee 22336. Palm Beach departure, Cherokee 22336 at 1,300, climbing to 2,000.
22336, Palm Beach departure, radar contact, turn left heading 240.
240, Cherokee 22336.
336, traffic, no factor, climb and maintain 4,000.
Climb maintain 4,000, Cherokee 22336.
Number 22336, maintain 3,000.
Maintain 3,000, Cherokee 22336.
Number 336, gliding 220, when able, clear direct Kaisik.
220 on direct to Kaisik, Cherokee 22336.
Number 336, 3 miles from Kaisik, cross Kaisik at 2,300, cleared, RNAV, runway 34, approach Lantana.
2,300 at Kaisik, and clear for the Lantana RNAV 34, Cherokee 22336.
November 336, report IFR cancellation in the air on this frequency or on the ground via the telephone. Advise if you need the telephone number.
I have the telephone number. We'll cancel that telephone number, Cherokee 22336. Call to cancel.
Palm Beach, bearing 8172 Romeo is northbound along the shore at 500.
Yeah, but don't let me forget, call to cancel IFR plan.
November 336, change to advisor frequency approved. Don't forget to cancel.
Will do, Cherokee 22336. Thank you. I was definitely behind a little bit of the plane.
Don't you have to tell them that you left
Lantana traffic, Cherokee clear of runway 34, Lantana. Thank you, yeah.
When do you call?
I just did. Oh, I have to call these guys.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Now, this is not a smart thing that I'm about to do. Call the approach and cancel my IFR plan while taxiing. I should have stopped the plane and make the call right after exiting the runway.
Hi, Cherokee 22336. I'd like to cancel my IFR plan, please. Thank you. Bye-bye. You too. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, so Aviator Ben with my favorite instructor, William Wong, the one that got me through
I'm
the
so
IFR.
honored to get to fly with this guy, you know.
He's the best.
He doesn't give up. He doesn't give up.
He's the
He
best.
found me. He found me.
We found each other. He's the best guy, and it so happened that he's an instructor in this school, Aviator Training Palm Beach Cirrus Training Center. We're here at an event. Okay. So I was invited, we were invited, me and Rose, my co-pilot, to join William at this event, of a Cirrus event, to promote this beautiful aircraft, which we're going to get a tour, hopefully, from William. And so, why don't you get us going? Just
Mars.
You know,
All right.
Just show me.
All right. You wanna come on in?
Yeah.
Cirrus is very, you know, they think about what is the safest for a plane to improve like GA, right? So first, we cushy, right? That's because they have like honeycomb in the seat cushion, right? So in case of a crash, you pull the parachute, you know, which is here we talk about a little bit, and it's gonna try to, the honeycomb, it's like a cushion that's trying to protect you. All right, so
Oh
that's
yeah,
gonna,
I can feel it. I can feel the...
all right, yeah. That's why they say when you go in, you try not to like hold your body, you know, you try to just gently, you know, not push it down your hand, right? Yeah.
Got it.
And we have the parachute system. So in case of emergencies, it's normally taken out for a flight, and when you pull, the parachute at the back will be deployed.
Or just pull it down.
Yeah,
Is that it?
yeah. So it's gonna be descending in a slower rate. It's like a 3 floor, you know, jumping through 3 floors.
Fantastic. Boy, this feels almost like a car.
Well,
You're
it's
in a
very
sports
spacious,
car.
It's very modern, and it's got 3 seats at the back. And this is the signature side yoke.
And how is it to handle? Yeah,
What do you like? Do you like it? Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's smooth.
It's smooth, yeah.
Not like the car, but this is nice. But
It's
this is pretty smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it the same kind of resistance you get when you fly it?
It's just a yoke that is put on the side, yeah.
Right, but it's the same kind of pressure you have to pull?
About the same, yeah.
Oh, I see. It has. Does it have a vacuum? Oh no, does it have a vacuum as well?
It actually doesn't. So this is electrical. We don't have a vacuum pump.
Oh.
You won't see a vacuum indication in the engine systems.
Oh, I see.
We have 2 batteries, 2 alternators. So total electric failure is pretty rare. This is the trim.
Oh, it's electric trim?
So yeah, trim up, trim down. Yeah, it's moving.
Oh, it's in the back.
And you can trim aileron too, so you can push left or right. To be honest, I don't use it that much.
Wow. It looks very impressive, I tell you.
And
very comfortable. You want to try it? Yeah, it's very comfortable. Very comfortable.
And of course, you got a keyboard. So let's say you want to go to your favorite location, Fast Stroke 45. You can click in here. Yeah, you can click this one. And you can say, let's say, LaGuardia, right? LGA. Enter. Now it's showing, yeah, you can direct to and anywhere you want, right? Yeah.
I guess you can use this as well here, the buttons.
Yes.
As well,
yes,
but this is more convenient, I guess. Yeah, unbelievable. It's really nice.
Oh, the best thing, voila, we have AC.
AC?
AC, yeah.
It
AC.
comes as standard equipment, or
so you have to add on, yeah. Maybe
it's an add-on.
50K, I don't know, yeah.
Wow, it's really nice. Oh, the fuses are here?
Yep. Fuses. Otherwise, you can fuse like a fuel pump, so it's like a Piper. Yeah.
It's impressive. So, a silly question. How much I think like this would run?
I think a standard, I mean, with like AC, I think it's about 800K.
800.
Yeah. Maybe 700. Yeah.
And how many horsepower does it have, the engine?
200 or 230. I gotta check. Maybe 230.
It's a nice plane.
Yeah.
It's impressive.
I'm honored to fly in it, to have flown in it for 100 hours or so. Yeah. I feel like it's more experience for me than work.
Yeah, understood. I just love the glass.
The glass is nice.
Yeah.
All right.
Great.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Of course. Yeah. Thanks for coming.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting us.